Here's an Amiga A590 Hard Drive Plus for the Commodore Amiga A500. I'm just going to show it running. It's on eBay if you're looking for one of these hard to find hard drives. Naturally it comes with its matching and required power supply. So let's just start up our Amiga. You can hear the hard drive spinning up. There it goes, loading away. My Amiga is connected to a television, not a monitor, so that's why the screen's not exactly the sharpest, but for the purposes of demonstration, you can see that the hard drive is working pretty well. Depaint? Yeah, depaint. Yeah. So anyway, there you have it. An A590 hard drive for the Amiga, tested and working, comes with power supply, hard to find, ready to go. Have a look for it on eBay. Thanks for watching.